If you try to figure out how to make passive income on Amazon selling books, paper books, then today I will show you exactly how to do it, how to set up your Amazon KDP account, and show you how other people are making a couple of hundreds every single day of passive income. Plus, I will show you what's the most important, the best KDP niches this year. Welcome, my name is Agnes and I am here to help starting business online entrepreneurs to figure out what's the best business for them. If you're here, I'm sure you're interested in making passive income with Amazon, and you probably heard, or maybe you didn't, about Amazon KDP platform, which is a self-publishing platform. Basically, Amazon KDP is a platform for self-publishers like me and you, where anyone can publish their own book. If you're a writer and you love writing, that's great. You can create any type of a book. But don't worry if you're not able to create any book because writing is not your passion and you are not the best writer. Because today I will show you how you can make money creating low content or no content, so-called blank page books on Amazon. And believe me, people are making thousands of money every single month, just like that. Before we dive into it, please hit the like button to make this video rank up in the search results so others can find it and enjoy the knowledge. And hit the subscribe button not to miss any new business opportunity, because the videos are uploaded every single week. We all probably know that Amazon is the biggest marketplace online, and there are millions of products being sold every single day. But maybe not every one of us thought about it, that Amazon is as well a giant search engine where people every single day search for different products. The same is with ebooks. Every single day, millions of books, ebooks, or KDP books are being sold. And that's the reason why everyone should take a piece of the pie and try to sell your own KDP books. All you need to do is basically set up your KDP account, which is really straightforward, and then when your account is set up, go and press the paper book button and start creating your first KDP book. It's very important what niche you should go for, what type of book you should create first. It's very important to find not saturated niche that has quite large search numbers monthly. To find out which niche is the best to create your KDP books, I found a couple of tools very helpful. First of those tools is called AGNES Suggestion Expander. It's a free Chrome extension, so you can go ahead and install it right now, and it gives you all the whole bunch of ideas of keywords. So definitely this tool shows you what people are looking for. So that's the suggestions that tell me that people every single month are looking for green notebook for women for, let's say, work small, or green notebook for women for work 8.5 by 11. So that's the suggestions based on the search results that the software is generating from what Amazon users are doing on Amazon. What is important to me as a creator of KDP books, I want to find out what's my competition. I already know that that's our very popular keywords. That's what people want. I know here. However, I want to find out if there is a big competition among their other KDP sellers or any type of book sellers. So when I press enter, I see that there is 60,000 already search results. That means already over 60,000 products have been created and are ranked for that particular keyword. So for me, it's a big no-no, because it definitely tells me it will be very hard to rank, come up on the first page search results, because as we know, the first page of search results is of course the most important page. So for me, this number is definitely too high. I need to find something smaller, something around 1000. So if I put, let's say, green notebook for women for work, let's check, let's press enter, we have 2000 search results. Already I know this keyword is much better. It will be much easier for me to rank for this keyword than the other keyword in the search results. But we can try and see if we manage to get even lower number. Let's try this one. And voila! That's the number that I was looking for. 1000 search results. So green notebook for women for work, 8.5 by 11. That's definitely the keyword that I will be ranking for, that I will try to create my KDP book and try to rank for that keyword. So that's my title. That will be my title. That's number one software that I would be using to search for KDP niches, and it's what is best. It's completely free. However, I use as well a couple of other softwares. I still use other softwares, one free and a couple of them are paid softwares that help me get things done. One of them is definitely Canva. Canva is for anyone who wants to do anything online, any business online with graphic designs should definitely go. And if you think seriously about making money selling KDP books, I would highly suggest going for Pro account. If you want to try out the Pro account for free for 30 days, the link is in the description, so make sure you use it and see how it works, because it's amazing. Anyone who wants any type of passive income in relation to graphic designs, like here creation of books, Canva is definitely must have. But I noticed that in the last couple of months, more and more designs unfortunately are locked for Pro accounts, or if you don't have Pro account, you must pay for every single piece that you use in your design. So have that in mind. The other absolutely amazing software that I use, it's a paid software, however you will find it so useful. It's this software here. It's called Helium. However, you can really find everything nearly what you want. So you can literally spy on your competition, see what keywords they use, how they rank, or when you are searching for keywords, you can find out what keywords are the best to use. Like here I search, let's say, logbooks, and I found out, let's say, that daily logbooks, it has great search volume, and there is below 1000 of books. Then I know that there is again driver's logbook and it has a great number of search, and it's a very low competition keyword. Then I can see that 500-page notebook is again has a lot of search results but has a very low competition number. So definitely you will see what keywords are in demand, what keywords you should go for. Plus you are able to go ahead then and check and see what are the best sellers in that for that particular keyword. However, this software will show you not only KDP books but also ordinary books that are sold on Amazon. There is another software only for KDP books, and that software is here. And if you want to enjoy your first free month of as well Pro account, use the link in the description, or you can as well use the 25% discount code that is in the description. Let's say this software here will show you all the logbooks that are very popular now on Amazon. Let's say reading log, or address and a phone book, or girl boss small business logbook. And you will as well see the rankings and when was the book released. So you see this one is a very good seller. This one has BSR below 300,000, plus it was only released on the 17th of January 2021, so it's a pretty much new book and has already 30 ratings, so definitely far more sales than rankings. So this book is doing very well. Then check in and check out logbooks, mileage logbook. So this software basically tells you not only what books in certain category are doing well, but it shows you exactly which book is doing so well for that particular keyword. So for me, this software is amazing because I see how the book cover looks like, how I can create my very similar KDP book, because I know that this particular KDP book for that particular keyword is selling very well. All you need to do is just basically copy the information and use it for your own KDP book. Of course, you are not allowed to create identical book, but bestseller that you will find should be your inspiration for creation, or even a better version of that inspiration book. And let's say if you go and copy this Asian number and go to Scout, here you put your Asian number, and this software here will show you more about the product. So the keywords that are used in this book: bookkeeping for small businesses, bookkeeping log for small businesses. So basically you have roughly the idea what keywords every particular book is ranking for, because that software literally allows you to spy on your competition legally. So it should be definitely on your list of the most important tools to get for KDP book creations. And I'm sure you're curious, if we started talking about those KDP books, you want to find out more about the niches, which niches are the most profitable. From this, what I managed to find out